Hey guys, welcome back to a new coffee talk video. As you can see, my space is a little bit different because I finally moved last week, and I'm still like kind of sorting everything out. But this is my first video in the new apartment, and I'll show you guys a little bit. Here I have my beautiful plants, obviously like my bookcase there, and I will show you guys my view. So this is Williamsburg, which is in New York, and it's not in a city, which I really like. The weather is a little bit gray, so yeah, my view is not that pretty today. But yeah, fun to start filming here. It was kind of like a crazy move because, well, in New York there are not that many like big spaces, so I have so much clothes and so much shoes and jewelry and makeup, and it's just like a mission to get everything stored and get everything in boxes and in closets. But we're getting there. Like, it's already like a little bit cleaned up. Over here just have like kind of mess, but I'm not showing you guys that. Actually, I'm thinking about, when everything is finished, obviously, maybe doing like an apartment tour. If you guys are interested in that, yeah, leave a comment below and let me know if that's something you would like to see. And I actually read all of you guys' comments, and I try to respond to as much as possible. And I find it fun when you guys give me tips as well about beauty or skincare or anything. I like to try them out. And there was actually there was one comment on a skincare video of mine, and the person actually asked me if I used any like natural mask or any other things for my skin or for my health. So yeah, I kind of did some research online, and I saw there are a lot of like face masks with yogurt available, masks with like avocado, and I walked through my kitchen, and I was just like, what kind of ingredients can I use for my beauty routine? So I got this starter kit from Frank Body, and it comes actually in a very cute cotton bag. I would definitely do my groceries in here. And I will show you guys what kind of products it comes with. Here we have the Frank Body a lip scrub, which looks like this. We got a creamy face scrub. This is the espresso scrub. That's actually a really funny name. And my absolutely favorite one is this one, the original coffee scrub. And as you can see, it is an exfoliator for like smooth and glowy skin. And the reason why a coffee scrub is actually very beneficial is because it fights acne, and the caffeine in coffee really like smooths and brightens up your skin. So here you see, it literally looks like real coffee, and you can literally just scrub your skin with this, and it smells really amazing. I really noticed that by using this on my skin, it got way like smoother and softer, and the smells just really nice. I'm like rubbing my lipstick, but the first time I put this on, you always kind of taste it when you put something on your lips, right? Not that I'm eating the scrub, but I was literally like flabbergasted by the taste of it, because this taste was exactly like one of my coffee smoothies, and I just found it really funny that that was kind of exactly the same. So every time if I put this up, I just feel it's like my coffee smoothie. And because we're in coffee talks and I still haven't had breakfast yet, I am going to share my favorite coffee smoothie with you guys as well. So let's go to the kitchen. How fun, guys, my first video in the kitchen. So here we go. Ta-da! So this is my new kitchen, and here all the magic is going to happen. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I make my favorite coffee smoothie. So for my smoothie, I'm going to use a ripe banana, and I kind of like a ripe banana because it gives the smoothie much more sweetness, and there is no reason to throw away your banana. I'm also adding 1 date. This also makes the smoothie a little bit sweeter. Then I'm going to add some oats. This really will fill you up, so in the morning this is really great as a breakfast. Then I'm going to add a big spoon of creamy almond butter. This one I just got at Whole Foods. And I'm making a little mess. Then I'm going to add my homemade cold brew. This will give your smoothie a big caffeine shot and booster. Then I'm going to add some almond milk. And last but not least, some chocolate protein powder from the brand Well. You can use any chocolate protein powder. I just think it gives a really nice taste to it. And then I'm going to blend everything in my NutriBullet. So yeah, this is my coffee smoothie, and if you put like ice in it, just like clear ice, you kind of have like an ice cream effect as well. And I don't know, I think just the taste of this and the lip scrub is really similar, which is really funny. So yeah, new apartment is a lot of cleaning up and like going through all my clothes, going through organizing everything, which I actually find quite fun as well. You know, a lot of people do that during like spring cleaning, and I do that during moving almost every year. And I got actually a lot of questions from you guys about like all my jewelry. So I thought I would go through it. I have to organize it a little bit because I'm going to buy like a rack and just hang them up everywhere. So I just want to see like what I have and kind of organize everything. So here I have my boxes, and I will show you guys actually the ones I am wearing right now. So this one is a very tiny one. It's from Maria Tash, and I'm obsessed with her jewelry. Then this one is from Maria Pascal. This is like a little UFO. The other ear I have again Maria Tash, and this is the same brand, Maria Pascal, but it has like a little rocket on there. And then I have this one, also Maria Tash. Like a huge fan. So yeah, I lose like a lot of stuff because my phone is always gone, jewelry is always gone. And you know, when I'm on set and I have to take off all my jewelry, I just forget that I put it where in my bag or anywhere else. So I also buy like kind of affordable and cheap jewelry, also because I kind of want to switch up very often, you know. I have these periods, like now I'm just really into all, as you can see, like all really golden jewelry and like super cute and small, but might change in a couple of weeks and I will go for like big jewelry. Anyway, I'm just going to show you guys the rest. These like big boxes, and I will show you guys with a lot of stuff in there. And something what I did is I had like some little bags, and I know you guys will probably say like, okay, this is a lot of plastic, but I have been using this for a couple of years right now. So let's go through it for a little bit. Oh, look, here you go. This is actually like not cool. Let me see. So this one, actually, so many people ask me about this one. I wore this in a lot of videos, and this is from a store. Oh, I hit my arm to a coffee thing. This is from the LF store. I don't know, they have it in LA and New York. They have like all kind of jewelry and kind of like hippie clothes. So this is from there. And let me see. Then I have like this is kind of with all little stones. Like very, this is more like if I go to an event or if I go out. I wouldn't wear this during the day, but it's like super bling bling and it's super cute. Oh yeah, so I was talking about Maria Pascal, and actually she makes really cool jewelry also for your star sign. So I got some stuff. I'm a Pisces. What are you guys? So yeah, I'm a Pisces, so there was some jewelry which was yeah, which had these like Pisces signs, and it's like a little S on it. So this is super cute. Also, this necklace is from there, super cute. And what else do we have? Astrid Miju. And this is actually rose gold. Honestly, I think some people are very specific about I wear only gold, I only wear silver. I feel you can kind of mix it up. So this one is like kind of longer. I would wear this in summer and then with like an open top, and then this is the rose gold one. Super cute. Oh yeah, so I bought these like hangers. I always love to buy jewelry when I'm traveling. I bought these in Greece, I guess. Yeah, I bought them in Greece or Indonesia, I'm not even sure. So if I just have like a golden chain, I like to just switch these up. That's very nice. And I actually showed you guys in like a comp shop with me that I bought some stuff at Topshop as well. Like this big chain. So if I make a combination between kind of this with like expensive, like a small golden chain, then it looks very nice, I think. And what I also got at Topshop, which I really like, are these like bigger earrings. Like these. I feel if you're just like wearing like a black top, oh my, all this jewelry is not really a match. But if you wear like a black top, these are really cute. This is again rose gold, so sometimes if I want to switch it up, like this is just very sleek and chic. So yeah, I will also show you guys a very personal item of mine. This is a necklace and a bracelet which I got for my 18th birthday from my grandmother. And honestly, I don't wear it often. This is for like a special occasion, but I am just so scared to lose this. So I don't wear it that often because I don't know, it's like a present and it's the most beautiful gift, and I just really don't want to lose it. But it's very beautiful. It's like red stones with like little diamonds. So yeah, this is like a little very personal piece. So oh, it's kind of like a mess here. Well, I showed you guys a couple of pieces, and I'm just going to wrap this all up. So everything is packed up, and yeah, this was a new coffee with me video. I hope you guys liked it. By the way, all the products and stuff I talk about, I link in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and go try out this really master smoothie because it's absolutely delicious. If you put a lot of oats in there, it's like a full breakfast. If you don't put as much oats in there, it's more like a snack or like just a smoothie. So whatever you prefer. Also, don't forget to subscribe, put on the notifications so you won't miss any video soon. So